2. Oh, this number is 19.
Right, let's just double check the first part. Okay, so they told us at the lowest part is 190 meters above the ground. Okay, and using symmetry, this will be 1450 divided by 2, which was what? What do you get for your x? 725, eh?
Yes.
So this point is 725190. Okay. Then the equation is h of h is equal to k. So this is your x minus a squared plus b. So what's a equal to? Okay. 725 to the right, so the equation must be a is equal to k, x minus 725 squared plus 190. So the answer is a is equal to 725 and b is equal to 190. Are we all happy with that? Okay. All good?
Yes.
Okay. So we're okay with that? Right, now the next part of the question, so we've got this over here. For b, we know the start of the equation. You should get 1 over 4205. So you get h is equal to k. X.
1 over 4205.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
no. That's what I got. I just got 4205.
Which is divided now.
You put it over 125 rather than 5.
Oh, okay.
Right, so for the next one, at point A, what coordinate do you know, guys? The x coordinate is 210, right? Okay, so at A, x is equal to 210. So to y is equal to 210. Okay, it's gone 210 up, right? Are we happy with that? Okay, so at A, the y coordinate is 210. You agree with me? Okay, so the question is basically saying how far across. So what do we need? What's the question asking us for? It's asking us for the x coordinate of A, right? If you've got a y coordinate, how do you find an x coordinate? You sub it into the equation, right? What's the problem? I don't have the equation yet, right? Okay, but we know that the height of the towers was 315. Okay, so this is the point 0315. This point would be, I'm not going to use it, but it would be 1450315, right? Symmetry, watch out for it, right? So if a point lies on the graph, I can sub it in, okay?
Oh.
So I'm going to go to this over here. I've got h is equal to k, x minus 725 plus 190. Okay, to get the equation, I'm going to sub in 0315. Okay? So you're going to get 315 is equal to k, 0 minus 725 squared plus 190. Okay? So you're going to go 315 minus 190, which is 125, is equal to 525,625k. So k is going to be 125 divided by that big number. So k is equal to 1 over 4,205. You all happy up to there? Okay?
Hold on.
So don't times it up. I wouldn't time, if you can times it up if you want to, I guess. But I think you're making life quite hard though. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay. You can times it out, it's fine. But first I've got to get the equation, right? So the equation is what? The height is equal to 1 over 4205. Okay. Times x minus 725 all squared plus 190. That's the equation which gives us the height, right? But we know that at A, y is equal to 210, right? Well, the height is 210, right? So it becomes, so I sub that in. Okay, x minus 725 squared plus 190, right? The way I did it, and there are various ways you can do it, I would go 210 minus 190, Okay, times 4205. I don't want that fraction there. Okay, and if you do, okay, you with me? So I said 210 minus 190, right? Okay, that gives me 20 is equal to that. There are various ways you can do it. Now you're going to either divide by that or else times by 4205. So do that. Okay, and we times that out to get 84,100. Right, at this point there are two diverging paths you could use. Okay.
725.
X minus 725, thank you. Okay, what are the two diverging paths? Look, two ways you could do this. Okay, is the one, what I did, which most of you probably didn't do, I used this logic, that if you've got a squared is equal to b, okay, something squared is equal to b, then we're going to say a is equal to plus or minus the square root of b, right? So x minus 725 squared is equal to 8410. So x minus 725 is equal to plus or minus the square root of that, right? Because that's the one way you could do it. And the square root of that is 290, right? This is the way I did it. Okay? So you end up with two answers. X is equal to 725 plus or minus 290. Okay. If you plus 290, what do you get? Doesn't really matter because, okay, I'll just do it quickly. Plus or minus, because remember, if you've got a squared is b, I'll show you another way you can do it now. A is plus minus the square root of b, right? Okay, so you get 725 plus 290, which is 1015. Okay, sorry. Okay, so you get x is equal to 1015, or x is equal to 725 minus 290, which is 435. So now you go look at your diagram and see which one's relevant, right? Okay. If you look at your diagram, okay, we're looking at the x coordinate over here, okay, at A. Well, that x coordinate is 725, so this must be smaller than 725. And what's smaller than 725? 435, eh? Okay, so the x coordinate of A is 435. So how far is it across? It's 435 meters across. You with me? Because the other answer, which was 1015, okay, it's in the wrong place, right? That'll be this point. The 1015 would be this point over here, right, with the same height. Because there are 2 points on this diagram with a height of 21, whatever it is, 210. That's why you get two answers. What's the other way I could have done this? I could have timed it out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so at that point I could have timed it out and got 84100. I think most people do it this way, is equal to x squared minus 1450.
Yeah.
1450x plus what?
52562.
52.
562.
Okay, so you get 0 is equal to x squared minus 1450x. What's that? 5265 minus what is?
It was.
Minus.
Oh wait, I did it. Oh yes, it's 441,525. It's 525,625.
Okay, so 400.
41,525.
And then you just shove it into equation mode and you calculate to get the same answers. Okay, so you get therefore x is 1015 or x is 435. Okay. Don't be bullied by these things with graphs and pictures. They're actually not bad usually. You just got to read the question carefully. Okay? Alright guys, are we good with that question, everyone? Okay.
Oh,
435.
This is giving me dividends. EPS minus.
RI.
So look at you.